In a world driven by creativity, speed, and precision, industries are evolving faster than ever. But behind the scenes, businesses face a different reality: fragmented data, complex migrations, and limited visibility. Slowing innovation, increasing risk. At NeuVays, we transform complexity into clarity. Our tools: automating end-to-end of data migration. With iMDG holistic governance, not just a MDM tool. Agentic AI tools are based on over 100 man-years of combined research. Together, we empower enterprises to move faster, operate smarter, and innovate with confidence. Our other tools are iMonitor, automate error and resolution of integration debt. iSales, intelligent integration with e-commerce and boost internal and external customer experience. iProcure, intelligent procurement with supplier portal. Powering intelligent transformation for a connected world.